Okay, in this video we're going to see how to edit a document which is already in the library and maintain version control. Alright, so the way we do this is we go to find the document first of all, and we're going to use this document here. We can see from the menus that we can edit in Microsoft Word. We know from a past that does not work. We can check out, never check out, never check out, okay? We can see that there's version history, and we'll take a look at that first. And we see that I've already made some edits to see it would work. We have version 1 was a test edit, version 2 was a small test edit, and version 3 removed all the test edits. Okay, so we remember that we're at version 3 right now. So how do we do this? We do not check out. If you check it out, that means nobody but you can edit it. So we don't want to check out, ever, never check it out. Alright, we go back and we click on the document. We get the menu which says open with Microsoft Word, no. Download them all, no. Save the file, yes. Okay, we're going to save it to the desktop. Okay, do you want to replace the old one? Okay. And now it's on the desktop. You'll notice that we're using Firefox. If you use Internet Explorer as supplied by ICS, nothing will work, so please don't. And we have the document. We double click. We open it, it's a Word document, and we have our document. Now we're going to make a small edit here. So this is an example of an edit. All right, we save the document, and we close Word. Voila, we don't need this anymore. Now we're back in our library, and we have to add it back in. So we do not click here, we do not click there, we do not click here, we do not read our email, we simply add a document. And now you see we have a little checkbox which says add as a new version to existing files. That means if the name hasn't changed, it will be added as a version. So if you change the name, which you should never do, it won't work. We're going to try to find the document, and you'll notice that I did not change the name. It's the same name as before. You see that? This document was saved as version 01. You should never put the version number in the name of a document if you're using a version control system. But it's too late for that, so we're going to leave it. All right, now we have the document. It's added as a new version, and we're going to say this is a demo of an edit and a new version. Always put in a version comment. Okay, always put in a version comment to say what you've done. Otherwise, you're losing the effectiveness of the tool. All right, and now it's done. And now we can look here again at this version history, and we'll see how useful it is that someone put in a version comment. This is a demo of an edit and a new version. Okay, you see that? We are at version 4. It automatically increases the version number. That's why using the version number in the name of the file is really stupid. So don't do it. Now we're going to take it again to remove that little edit. Open it. Save the document without changing the name. Be very careful. Do you want to replace the old one? Yes. All right, now we open it again. And we see that we have an example of an edit. We're going to remove that and save it and close Word and close this, and then we add it back in. And we have to find it again. As you can see, this is a very efficient process. This is, again, thanks to ICS, the efficiency increase. Okay, this version is as per the original. All test edits removed. Removed. Okay. And now it's in there again, and we can look at the version history. And we see that we're at version 5, and everything is cool. Really cool. All right. So that's it. Now, what may happen is that two people might try to edit it at the same time. And if that's the case, good luck to figuring out what happens. Because if you overwrite each other's changes, who knows how SharePoint will handle that? I have absolutely no idea. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can thank Microsoft and ICS for the wonderful tools which have been provided.